Serbia still gratefully remember well the good Russian Emperor Nicholas II Romanov, who disinterestedly helped Serbia in the most difficult time for her. Serbian Regent Alexander Karađorđević published a declaration of war saying,
"Great evil came upon our Serbia. Austro-Hungarian declared war on us. The plight of our kingdom and our people with Austria are not started from yesterday. My government, according to wishes of the people, and the need for a peace that does not feel only Serbia, but the entire Europe, wanted to avoid conflict at any cost and therefore came out to meet the demands of Austro-Hungarian government to the outerly limits of compliance, across which any independent state would not go. I am forced to invite all my dear and brave fellow Serbs under the Serbian tricolor. Serbs, defend with all your strength your Chumnian Serbian tribe."
Serbian peasants from all over the country are taking arms, and singing with smile on their faces are leaving their working fields, to fulfill their holy duty one more time. For king and fatherland. Soon started Austrian bombardment of Belgrade. This is only one of many destructions which will experience the capital of Serbia in the 20th century. Serbia had no other choice, but to defend its own right on life and freedom, with exactly the same facilities as those which Austria-Hungary was preparing to use for seizing these Serbian rights. For just a few days, Serbia mobilized about 450,000 soldiers and about 500 cannons. Opposition of Serbian armies was Austro-Hungarian Balkan Army that consisted of about 500,000 soldiers. Austro-Hungarian Command. General Oskar von Podgoric, Commander of the Austro-Hungarian Balkan Army. Archduke Friedrich, Supreme Commander of all forces operating. General Konrad von Hessendorf, Chief of Staff Supreme Command. Serbian Command. Regent Alexander Karađorđević, Supreme Commander. Duke Radomir Putnik, Chief of Staff. General Zibojin Misic, Supreme Command Assistant Chief of Staff. General Petar Boyvid, Commander of the First Army. General Stupa Stepanović, Commander of the Second Army. General Pavlija Risic Term, Commander of the Third Army. Montenegrin Command. King Nikola Petrovich, Supreme Commander Serdar Janko Vukotic. Supreme Command Chief of Staff, the Prime Minister, Minister of Defense and Military Commander. Serbian High Command expected Austrian land attack from the north, over the Danube. However, this expectation proved to be as wrong, because the Austrian attack followed completely from the other direction. From the west, from Bosnia. Serbian command has made a wrong assessment, but the Austrian command made wrong decision. Decisive battle happened on the Serb mountain. Supreme Commander of 2nd Serbian Army was General Stupa Stepanović. Austrian commander in battle was General Oskar von Podgoric, German Slovenian. Serbian forces counted about 108,000 soldiers. Austria 200,000. This is the first time that Serbian army meets one imperial Western army, which had a centuries of war and battle experience with other Western powers. Until then Serbia fought only with or against other Balkan states, and of course against the Turks and their Asian and African fellow warriors. Probably because of that, the Austrian command stated that the war with Serbia will be only military walk to the town of Niš, in the southeast of the country. Serbian army, except the fatigue from the previous wars, also had a lack of equipment and poor military weapons. Toward itself, Serbian army had well-trained and well-equipped European army. But the Serbian army had a small, but again so big advantage in relation to their invaders. Feeling of their own, that they defend existence of the state. And of course, recognition of the terrain. A battle that will occur, is also the first battle between the Allies and Central Powers. Because Serbia was an ally, the eyes of Entente and enemy armies were attentive on the battle. General Stepanović observed the strategic importance of Serb Mountain, and went with his second army toward the enemy. The battle began in the nearby village of Tekarish. several days of bloody fighting, at the end of August 1914, ended with completely mindless runaway of the Austrian army. One Austrian soldier wrote in his diary,
"Army is beaten and has began wild, chaotic run. A general scamper was happening. The beaten army. No. An uncontrolled mob is running across the border, in a senseless panic. Officers and soldiers sweeping and squeezing through, between the columns of wagons."
Serbian army achieved a great victory and the first point for the Allies. Serbian army lost about 16,000 soldiers in this battle, and Austrian about 25,000. After this battle, General Stupa advanced to the rank of Duke. Serbian military maneuver to the river of Drina was chanted during the war in the song, March on the Drina, the song that later became the anthem of Serbian army, and is in official use until today. After this remarkable Serbian victory, Oskar Pođorđe got a recommendation to commit suicide. General Pođorđe accepted that, but under one condition: when any other Austrian general defeats the Serbian army. The scenes that Austrians left behind them were sad. Pavlij Arisic, general of 3rd Serbian Army, spoke about them.
The Austrian army has done in our areas terrible brutalities. Everywhere in the villages, there are little groups of killed and slaughtered, mostly children and women. They hanged and fusilated even little children, up to 10 years.
However, the Austrians were not withdrawn forever, and Serbia knew that. After that, 2 months of the bloody stationary fight followed on the river of Drina, and ended with the Austrian failure one more time, although they did make some strokes to the Serbian defense. This was the second Austro-Hungarian offensive in Serbia, which ended unsuccessful. Soon will follow the third offensive, which will overcome by its grandiosity even the two previous, and in which on both sides will take participation around 550,000 soldiers on both sides. 250,000 of Serbian, and more than 300,000 of Austro-Hungarian soldiers. Austrian double-headed dragon in its progress was stopped